Welcome back. So, today we will be doing some dance moves. I haven't got it all together yet, but we're going to learn some things today. We're going to be learning the dance steps to the infamous song, the Get Up. Play it a little bit so you guys know what I'm talking about.
Grab your loved ones.
Okay? I know y'all heard it before. Some of y'all might even know it. But for all those who don't know it, we're going to learn it today. Alright. So, before we start any of the dancing, we have to stretch our muscles so we can loosen up our bodies. Y'all ready? Alright. So, we're going to do everything for a count of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Alright. Well, we're going to start off with our legs, shoulder lift apart. We're going to roll our heads down all the way to our toes for a count of 8. Alright? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we're going to throw our hands in the middle, and we're going to bend over as deep as we can, and we're going to stretch our muscles back here. If you feel it pulling, then that's a good thing. If you don't, stretch it a little more. All right, so now we're going to take our right hand and put it on our left foot, and we're going to throw this hand in the air, and we're going to stretch it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to switch. We're going to put our left hand on our right foot, and we're going to stretch it all out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to walk it back to the middle, and we're going to roll back up. But let your head be the last thing that comes up, okay? For a count of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, hands up. We're going to take our left hand and we're going to place it on our elbow, and we are going to stretch our arms. All right? It should look like this. Okay? I'm going to stretch it out for a count of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll release that, and we're going to switch arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we're going to do some neck, head stretches. We're going to take our heads from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to go forward and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's put it all together. Take it to the right side. Then we're going to reverse. Then we're going to take it in a big circle. All right? Start from your left. Going to your right side, and we're stretching it all around. Take it around town. Oh yeah, that feels great. Now we're going to switch. Take it around town. What's SpongeBob say? around town. Alright? We have stretched our neck, our arms. Gotta get to these legs. So we're gonna do some high knees. Ready? Alright, let's go. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's time to get into the dancing portion of this session. So the song to Get Up is one of those dances that tells you what to do. So basically you follow everything that he says. But I am here to help with the steps. Because sometimes you need to see it instead of hearing it. I'm a visual person. So that means I have to see everything that I'm learning. Alright, so there's 4 basic moves to the Get Up. The first move that we're going to learn today is called the 2-step, aka the Kid and Play. Oh, yeah. Alright, so that moves look a little something like this. Goes in and out. Okay? It's kind of hard from his end to twist on carpet, but this leg does a lot of twisting. Okay? So we're going to twist it out and bring it back. Got it? Cool. Twist it out. Bring it back. Alright. Moving on along to step 2. Step 2 is called the Cowboy Boogie. It's a lot to say, but it's a Cowboy Boogie. Alright? So the Cowboy Boogie, simple step of boom, bang, pow. Step. Okay? We're going to bring it back for 1, 2, 3. And we're going to repeat that. 1, 2, 3. Okay? That is the second step, Cowboy Boogie. Moving on to number 3. Number 3. Step number 3 is called the hold down. The hold down consists of throwing your right leg out, kicking it, and kicking your left leg out. So let's get ready to try. Right leg, left leg. Right leg, left leg. And you're going to do that for a 4 count. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 count. This move that we're going to learn today is called the butterfly. The butterfly is a swaggy little leg move that pretty easy to do. So our knees are going to go in and we're going to bring them out. Alright, so we're going to do all that on our tippy toes because it makes it so much easier to flow. Alright, so we're going to go in and out. In and out. But make sure when you're doing a butterfly, you throw some swag on it. Throw some swag in there. Use your arms. Use your body. Do something, but make it look good. Now that we have learned the basic steps to the Get Up, let's do it with some music and put it all together.
If you're by yourself, no worries. Just follow after me. On a little 2-step, then cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart and spin out with it. With a hold down and get into it. Take it to the left now and dip with it. Don't throw down, take a sip with it. And lean back, put your hips in. Let's have some fun. To the left now.
What?
To the right, to the right. Now take your left hand and put it on your side. Gonna roll your shoulders, do the slip and slide. This next part's my favorite part, cause it's time to shine. Gonna do the 2-step, then cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart and spin out with it. With a hold down and get into it. Take it to the left now and dip with it. Don't throw down, take a sip with it. And lean back with your hips in it. It's simple, you can do it. Slide to the left, slide to the right. Now cool down, have a good time. Slide to the left, slide to the right. Do the butterfly, have a good time round, round. it, don't throw down. Take a sip, pour it out, lean back, put your head, sit it. That was not so bad. That was not so.
Okay, now that you guys have done the dance with me and learned the steps, I would like for you to send me your videos of you and your family doing the dance. Till next time, I will see you guys later. Miss Ann out.